everyone, welcome to my biology classes. This is part 18 from the chapter Animal Kingdom. So we were doing the classes. So we already did class 1 to class 5, and in this video we are going to do class 6, that is aves, that is birds. Alright, so this aves that falls under division Gnathostomata means they are having jaws, and it falls under subclass that is tetrapods means they are having limbs. Is it clear? In our previous class, we did class 5, that is reptiles we did. So let's see some characteristic features of the class Aves. So the first point it is saying they are having feathers for flying. This is unique feature to this class. Feathers for flying, as we know, this is very easy because birds have feathers, and they possess beak and feathers they are having. Is it clear? And forelimbs are modified to wings. The forelimbs are modified to wings, and the hind limbs are modified for walking, swimming, clasping. Clasping means holding the branch like this. They used to hold the branch, no? So that is clasping. Is it clear? Alright. Forelimbs modified to wings, hind limb modified for walking, swimming, clasping, etc. Okay. Then moving on to the next slide. So the first point it is saying they are having dry skin. They are having dry skin and they do not have any kinds of glands. Okay, no glands are present except one gland is present, that is called oil gland is present at the base of the tail. At the base of the tail only one gland is present, that is called oil gland. Okay. Alright. Then the next point it is saying they are having long bones which are hollow with air cavity. So inside it is hollow but there is air cavity. So therefore they are called pneumatic bones. They are having pneumatic bones. Is it clear? Then the next point it is saying the respiration is through lungs. The respiratory organ they are having is lungs. Clear? Then moving on to the next slide, they are having four-chambered heart like us only. Then they are homeothermic, means warm-blooded. Means what? They can regulate the body temperature like us. But the rest of the class, what we got, they were cold-blooded. Then the next two classes which we are going to study this class, that is aves, and next class I'll come up with the next video of mammals. In these two classes, they are warm-blooded means they can regulate their body temperature with the change in environmental condition. Means they are homeothermic. Is it clear? Then they are oviparous, means they lay eggs. You can see in a chicken lay eggs, and we used to have boiled eggs. Alright. Then they are having digestive tract which are having additional chamber called crops and gizzards. This is also a unique feature to this class. They are having crops and gizzards which are part of digestive tract, which are an additional structure to this class. Okay, so I'll show a picture of crops and gizzards. So crop is somewhat in the neck region like this. This is a crop and this is a gizzard. So their function we'll talk about. The crop used to store their food and gizzards used to grind it, okay, to break into smaller pieces. So generally we can see the crop from outside. It is swollen structure. This portion is your crop, this portion, the swollen part. Is it clear? This is the crop region of a bird. These two structure are the additional structure of the digestive tract. Are you getting? Now moving on to the next slide. Here the sexes are separate. Male and female will be separate. We know that. And there is internal fertilization occurring. Internal, there is fertilization. Male, female gametes used to fertilize inside only. With direct development, no intermediate stage, no indirect development, direct development only. Okay. Then moving on to the next slide. These are few examples, list of examples which is there in your NCERT. list of examples of birds. So you can give your own examples also. Crow, pigeon, parrot, peacock, ostrich, vulture, eagles, kingfishers, mynas, etc., etc. You can give your own examples. Okay, owls and all also you can give. So these are the pictures showing few. This ostrich is the flightless bird. Okay, hornbills, sparrows, parakeets, crows. Okay, so you can set your own examples. This will be easy for you. Okay, that's all for today's class. I'll bring up mammals in the next video. Thank you for your patient hearing.